Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Miracle Mirror. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys a homemade facial. This facial is highly beneficial if you use it regularly to remove all the suntan, blemishes, wrinkles and acne scars. So let's see how to prepare this facial. For that, into a glass jar, add 4 to 5 pieces of dried wild turmeric, 6 to 10 strands of saffron, and 2 teaspoons of rose water. Now keep it sealed for 1 to 2 days so that the extracts of saffron and turmeric gets completely infused into the rose water. Now after 2 days, pour the mixture into a blender and blend it very well to form a paste. Into a bowl, add this paste. Followed by 1 teaspoon of glycerin, and 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Now mix very well to form a thick yellowish paste or gel like so. Facial is ready to use. With regular usage of this facial, all the dark spots, blemishes, wrinkles and acne scars fades faster, and you will be able to achieve crystal clear skin within 2 or 3 weeks. In this facial, we have used saffron. Saffron has many therapeutic properties which helps to heal the skin naturally. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties which helps to get rid of acne scars, rashes and irritations. It makes our skin glowing and youthful. Wild turmeric. It has skin whitening properties. It rejuvenates our skin and also has anti-inflammatory properties which gets rid of skin irritations and acne scars. Rose water has the properties which cleans our pores and soothes it. And aloe vera gel is highly beneficial for our skin, which makes it even toned and smooth. So please do try this facial at home. For better results, use this daily once or twice and share your experience with me in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, please like and subscribe and don't forget to share it with your friends and family as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.